Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you choose a final reward, how to claim MLS Playoffs Challenge final reward in FC Mobile. Before we start, I made this video for beginner new into this game. So confused how you can challenge the event, how you can complete the quest so you can get one of rewards from this game. Let's get started by tap this MLS event. This is the Major League Soccer. Let's jump into the second chapter. This is the MLS Playoffs. All you have to do in this chapter is win this MLS Cup, total 6 matches. So you can claim the reward of first task, win the MLS Cup, win 6 matches. And the second task is acquire 5 MLS Best Pack. You can claim the MLS Best Pack in here in the milestone. With 8 MLS token, you can open this MLS Best Pack. So you can earn the a token in here, daily matches and daily skill game. Let's get back to MLS playoff chapter, and the third task, the final task, is win 5 matches in the era chapter. This is the era chapter, the third chapter. Try to win this resurgence era, total 5 matches that you can challenge. Claim the David Beckham and Thierry Henry. After that, the final task is done. So total 3 tasks that you can complete, and the playoff challenge will enable, the final reward will enable for you. You can choose one of these 3. The first reward is untradeable MLS player, 92 until 97 OVR. The second is 90 until 97 MLS player. This is tradable, you can sell this player. And the last is Javier Mascherano. This is universal rank player. You can rank up one of your player that have a OVR between 90 and 99. He is very useful. So please be wise. Choose the reward that you need. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And so click the next button below. Enjoy the game.